Hello and welcome. This is final step of our final project. Of course, this is testing phase. From the last video, you are aware that we have created these pipeline, and these pipeline steps are actually successful. So if you go to the pipeline, you will find out that okay, we just executed CICD pipeline first time, and what is the result of this? Our application deployed successfully inside our EC2 Docker host, and now we are able to open website which is running inside the container. How I can verify? I can use IP address of my EC2 instance. Make sure that you have port number 80 open in the security group of your EC2 instance. I already opened this during the instance creation. So now I just need to copy this IP and I'm going to paste this. If I'm able to open the website, I can say that everything is working. Hello, GitLab CICD from CloudFolks HUB. Now, what if I'm going to make changes over here in the index.html file? So right now I am inside my local computer. Here I am going to open index.html. Here I am going to add one line over here. Testing of project. I just added this line. Okay. WQ. Now I am going to add this. Git add index.html. Git commit -m test and git push origin main. Whenever you are going to push any code inside the file into your Git repo, it is going to run CICD pipeline again, and look at this pipeline is running. Now whatever the change that we have made inside the application will be added into the container, and then the container will run inside this. So after successful, when we will open this particular website, we will get testing wording over there that we have added. So first step is completed. The another step is right now running. This is the first stage, and another stage is right now running. If you want to open this build stage, you will find out all the detail that how the things are actually working. Okay, so yeah, let's go to the pipeline, and still it is running second stage. Okay, it is done. Now how I can verify? I'm just going to open the website again. This is web page according to the previous updates. Now I'm going to refresh this, and hello, GitLab CICD from CloudFolks HUB, testing of the project, and it is done. So this is how the whole things are actually working. We have used Docker container over here, how we can directly upload the code using the HTTPD web server. We also discussed like about this during our project. Yeah. So that's all, and now it's end of our course as well. Please watch next video. It is the most important video of this particular course as well. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.